Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting accurate pressures. That matters more than speed. First, make sure the patient has rested 5-10 minutes, supine. Then find both brachial pulses and both ankle pulses, dorsalis pedis and posterior tibial, using a Doppler probe if pulses are weak. Use a blood pressure cuff sized appropriately. Record the highest systolic pressure from the two brachial measurements. Once done, measure each ankle artery systolic pressure and write down the mmHg readings for both sides. Now calculate the ankle brachial index. For each leg, divide the ankle systolic pressure. Use the higher of dorsalis pedis or posterior tibial by the highest brachial systolic pressure. Do this separately for left and right legs and round to 2 decimal places so the values are clear. If either ankle pressure is unusually high or you suspect arterial calcification, note a non-compressible reading, typically an ABI over 1. 3, because that changes interpretation and may require toe pressures or alternate testing. Finish by interpreting and documenting the results clearly. You should treat 1, 0 to 1, 40 as normal, an ABI of 0. 90 or below indicates peripheral artery disease, and 0, 91 to 0, 99 is borderline. If you see an ABI above 1, 30, suspect non-compressible arteries and consider toe pressures or vascular lab studies. If numbers don't match clinical signs, repeat measurements after 10-15 minutes, recheck cuff positioning, and confirm Doppler angle. Doing that solves most
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.